So I'm going to start today's makeup by using a primer first. This is the one by Wet n Wild. It's a mattifying primer. This is going to help make my makeup last longer and even stay in place. For foundation, I'm using my most favorite MAC Nourishing Waterproof Foundation, and with the help of a flat kabuki brush, I'm spreading it all over my face and also on my neck. For concealer, I'm using the one by NYX and applying it underneath my eyes, on the sides of my mouth, and also on the sides of my nose, and blending it with the help of a beauty blender. Now I'm setting my base with the help of a loose powder. This is the one by Fit Me, and applying it all over my face and my neck. Let's move on to the eyes, and firstly I'm using this matte brown shade and applying it on the crease area and also on my outer V area. This is basically prepping my eyelids. So now I'm going to go ahead with a dark blue matte eyeshadow and applying it on the outer corners of my eyelids and just focusing on my crease and the outer V area. This color needs to be blended really well, so make sure that you invest some time and do the blending very well. Now I'm using a dark blue shade and using it on top of the previous lighter blue shade to make this color look more vibrant, and using the matte brown shade once again so that the colors look well blended and they look very seamless. And this is a very electric blue that I'm using just on the middle portion of my lid area. Now I'm using the Swiss Beauty metallic liquid eyeshadow and applying this on the inner half of my lid. And also blending it with the blue glitter, and I'm using a very darker matte brown shade and applying it just on the corners of my eyes. I'm going ahead with a bright blue shade once again and applying it on my outer V area and also on my lower lash line. Wearing my false lashes off camera. These are by Henna Beauty, and I'm also tight lining my lower waterline by using this Nykaa Kajal and smudging out my Kajal using some black matte eyeshadow. And then I'm applying the liquid metallic eyeshadow on my inner corners using a tiny detailer brush, and for mascara I'm using the L'Oreal Paradise Mascara. It's time to bronze up my face, and I'm using my favorite NYX bronzer to bronze up my skin, of course, and using it on the hollows of my cheekbones and also on my jawline, also using it on my nose. To carve out my cheekbones, I'm placing some loose powder over there. And for blush, I'm using this very pretty looking blush by Wet n Wild. And for highlighter, this is the one by PAC, and I'm highlighting all the high points of my face. This one is a gorgeous highlighter for weddings and functions and events like that. To tame my eyebrows, I'm using this Pro Pomade by ABH and just filling in my sparse areas, keeping my brows very simple looking and natural. And I'm using this MAC Burnt Spice first as my lipstick. I really wanted to go ahead with a neutral lipstick, and I'm topping it up with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream to make it look more rosy. To further make my makeup look more dewy, rosy and long lasting, I'm using the Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray. And voila, this is my final look, and I think this is the kind of look which would go so well with blue colored outfits especially, and I really want to know how did you guys like this look. If you all did, then please don't forget to give this video a big hit and share this video with all your friends and family. And please make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell button to stay updated about all of my channel updates, and I will see you guys super soon in the next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.